Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I thought today was going to be a sunny day, so I thought I'd do everything up here and have the sun shining in through the windows, but I'm going to use my light box and hopefully that will do the job. My name is Karen Smith from Scented Soaps by Karen. I am very, very excited to get on and talk to you about my summer line. So first of all, I did finish my spring line, and I am always working to improve different items on it. Hold on one second. Just had to shut something off. So what I've been doing right now is working on all of the aloe products. So before I talk to you about the aloe products, let me tell you this. I brought back Coppertone, and my Coppertone is now coming in jars. So it's kind of something that someone asked me, a friend of mine asked me if I would make for her. And it turned out that it came out really well. It smells just like the Coppertone lotion that, if you're from my age, you know. And did you know that at the age of 3, Jodie Foster was the very, very first Coppertone baby? Did you know that? Or she wasn't a baby at 3. So she was the one that was on the Coppertone bottles, if you can remember all those bottles and everything. So anyway, this has coconut in it, it has rum, it has a lot of different ingredients in it that will give you that same scent. I actually tried, I bought some and I smelled it at the store, and it was just like, it didn't smell anything like what I remembered. So I had this girl that I told you about, Debbie, and she kept trying my different lotions, and finally she said, you've got it. She said, this is it. This is the Coppertone. So the Coppertone's back. Everything is also scheduled to, after my live feed is over, everything is scheduled to publish on my page with links following it. So I think every single thing I'm going to show you. So Coppertone is back. That's sun coming up for me anyway. My After Sun lotion that I talk about all the time, and this has orange in it, it has strawberry in it. It's a new 11-ounce bottle. I also have the jars, so you can do whatever you'd like to do. You can buy it in the jar, you can buy it in the bottle if you'd like. It's a very thick lotion, and I am adding a little bit of rosehip to it. Rosehip is so great for you. So this has a lot of vitamins in it as well, and you would love this, the After Sun. You can put it on right before you put your sunblock on, over your sunblock. It doesn't make any difference. It won't, cause any problems to your sunblock. I also wanted to tell you my brand new Orange Blossom soap, just right here, would be great to have with it. Or the strawberry soap would be a great thing to if you're giving it as a gift or to buy for yourself. That way you have the orange, you have the strawberry cream, soaps, and then you have the lotion. Yay, you get everything that you need. So there you go there. I also have the hydrating mist. I made a brand new batch of it. These are the new batches that I'm making. I don't know if you know. Hi, everybody. I don't know if you know, but I make small batches every week. I do that on purpose. I don't like to have anything sitting around, even though I add vitamin E, which is a natural preservative to everything. And with a natural preservative, you should be great. You should be good to go. I want to show you the hydrating mist up close because the labels are not on the pictures that you'll see in the on my page. But anyway, it has elderflower, coffee. This is great. So I tell a lot of people to put it into the refrigerator. If you put it into the refrigerator and then you get really overheated, you just give yourself a nice little squirt of it. It's hydrating mist, no alcohol, so you can put it on your face, you can put it in your hair, and you'll feel terrific. So this is a great thing. A friend of mine, I think I've mentioned this, from the Mermaids on Cape Cod, bought a bunch of this, and she loved it, and she swears by it. And that's what she said. That's her little ticket there. And this is my new chai. I just sold a bunch of this yesterday. It's a combination. It's in a new bottle. It's a combination of shampoo, bubble bath, and body wash. You can use it for any of those. You can use it on color treated hair. You can use it on a baby. It has a little note on the bottom of it so that you'll know how to take care of this bottle. You simply hold the bottom part of it, turn this a little bit, snap it open. So this is great for traveling. And for all of you that are getting ready to travel, as long as everything's okay, this is a great kind of a bottle to take with you. So that's my chai. And I also have the acai, which is a really great shampoo, conditioner, not shampoo, speaking of shampoo and conditioner, shampoo, what else is it? Bubble bath and body wash. My shampoo. You have got to try my shampoo if you haven't. I'm one that has been using shampoo from salons for years and years and years. This stuff is amazing. I started making it because it was so natural and it had so many wonderful ingredients in it. I chose not to add a scent to it. I love it. It's thick. Sometimes I wash my hair, you know, once or twice while I'm in the shower, and it just gives your hair, it's just really fluffy, and it's a great, great shampoo. So that's why I decided to make that. Was already making the hydrating mist, not the hydrating mist, but I was already making the detangler. See, I talk about too many things in one feed. I should keep it to like 3 things. But the detangler is great because my hair was getting tangled, and because I was doing this for my grandchildren as well. So it's a leave-in conditioner and a detangler. It comes in a glass bottle. So, I mean, I don't know how you feel about that, but I kind of like them in the glass bottle. And the aloe gel. This is pure, pure, pure aloe gel. So it just says so right on the outside of it. It just says removes makeup. So this takes your makeup off beautifully. If you have a burn in the kitchen, I keep some in the kitchen. It's great for acne, dry skin, and it has some green tea in it. This is a really nice product to have on hand all the time. So that's why I make this with just the pure, pure aloe gel versus, you know, adding anything to it. But if you want something and you want something to have the shea butter in it, I'm going to show you this right now. I'm going to open it up. And this is the aloe gel with the shea butter, sun lotion. I call it a sun lotion. So I have this recipe for this, and I literally take all of the shea butter. I melt up a lot of different things. I whip stuff up, and then I add 1 cup of what you just saw, the aloe gel, to all of this. And then in addition, I add blueberry because blueberry is so soothing, and figs also I have figs in it too, fig scent, and it also gives your skin a real nice glow. Pomegranate is in it as well. It helps protect your skin against sun damage. So, you know, if you already have sun damage or you want to prevent yourself from it, there you go. So these come in the smaller jars. They're brand new jars. So I'm trying to get all the summer stuff out, which would be the aloe gel, which would be this cream right here. I'm trying to get body washes out so you can keep those in your showers. I'm getting the copper tone back out to all of you. Shampoo, all the things that we really need and what we do during the summer. We're in the sun all the time. Well, some of us are in the sun, and we just really need to, you know, keep our skin nice and fresh and clean and so on. I also wanted to tell you something. On August 14th, and I'm really, really excited about this, there'll be a show on Mashney Island. That's my favorite show of all. So I'll be selling a lot of stuff there. I'll have, you know, a brand new table. I'm having a tent made up right now with my name on it and everything. So there'll be a big show down there, and one of my daughters will be there. 2 of my daughters will be there, and they're going to be helping me. One of them is going to help me, and the other one is she's just there in case I need extra help. I also wanted to show you this. I'm working on a million things, and this is a box. It's kind of, well, you know what it is. But this, what do you think? I need everyone's opinion for putting some of your soaps and items in, something like that. If I were to order boxes like this, would you like that? Would it be a nice gift box? Versus envelopes, versus a larger box, versus my blue boxes. So I was thinking about that. So if you give me your input, I'd love that. I need input on that because I'm always buying too many things. So anyway, that's basically it. I do want to say that I do have a winner for the bracelet. And I did not announce who it was. I just pulled the name. I actually looked at this already. So Craig Larson is from Massachusetts, and he's the winner of this bracelet. So Craig, you can give it to your wife or one of your daughters. I know you have a couple daughters, I think. And if you let me know who your favorite teacher is, and I will send her a gift to, or him a gift as well. By the way, your wife's a teacher. You got to give her the bracelet and then a gift that I'm going to send. So let me know. And I know where you live, so I'll get all that taken care of. But anyway, so that's the winner. All you had to do was just write down the state that you lived in. And I play a lot of these games all the time, and I pull the names from Instagram. I pull the information from my YouTube page. I also pull it from Facebook. I have it all over the place. So as I'm finding your name out there, I'm throwing it into a little bowl for picking later on for some sort of gift, because I love to give things away. But anyway, I still see a lot of people on. Hello, Ann. Hi, Mom. Hi, everybody. Oh, hi, Denise. How are you? Denise, that package, that was crazy. That's Denise Manning, right? Not the other. That package, you got that. That is crazy how that happened, huh? At least I keep track of everything. So if anything goes out this door, I have pictures of it. I also trace it for you. I track it. I do anything that you need if you're not getting something. Sometimes it gets delivered to the wrong place, but a lot of times you'll get this little note and it will say to me, yeah, it was. It will just say, this was delivered in and around the mailbox. And that's always like kind of tricky. But once it gets to you like that, it's tricky. So you got it. And that's great. I'm so very happy. Anyway, you can visit me on my YouTube channel. You can visit me on scentedsoapsbykaren.com. I still have a couple of sales going on. I sold out of all of the children's little hand sanitizer, but I have other hand sanitizer available. I have candles. Several shops have candles in them right now. I know they received them because I put pictures of them up. Anything that you need, let me know. I'm very, very excited to make anything for you. I love, love, love what I do. And having a business with all natural products has been something that I've been doing for 10 years, but that's how I practice my life all the time. My mother will tell you, I was always eating salad and, fruit. And she used to say to me, Mom, Karen, when you go to school, I'm going to give you some extra money. Why don't you buy something really great for yourself? And so I'd say, she'd ask me what I bought. She'd think I'd say a brownie or a cookie or something. And, I'd say, well, I got this wonderful fruit cocktail. And she said, I don't eat fruit cocktail. But anyway, that's just a little story about my mother. Mom, I eat lots of cookies now, so that's not a problem anymore. But anyway, thank you for visiting. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Thanks for hopping on. Oh, the other thing, it's been working beautifully. People have been calling me. I had a call from someone from Miami. I'm just taking credit cards over the phone as well as all the other places that I take credit cards or PayPal or whatever. So I just take care of you that way, and then I get your order out, and you're good as gold. So that's it for today. Have a great day, everybody. Denise, enjoy the sun, right? Is it nice out there? Denise is from Florida, so I'm jealous. Bye-bye, everybody.